In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export My Customers from QuickBooks. If you need a copy of your customer list for reporting, backups, or to work with the data in Excel, QuickBooks makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion and make sure you export only the customer information you actually need. To begin, log into QuickBooks and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is where many account tools and settings are located. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the menu. From the options that appear, select Export Data. This will take you to the area where QuickBooks lets you download different types of information from your account. If you don't see it immediately, just pause for a moment and make sure the page fully loads before moving on. Once you're on the export screen, go to the Lists tab. This section is specifically used for exporting list-based data, and that includes your customer records. It's important to be on the correct tab here because QuickBooks may also show other export categories that are not related to customer lists. Inside the Lists tab, look for the option labeled Customers. Make sure the switch for customers is turned on or enabled. This tells QuickBooks that customer data is what you want to include in the export file. Next, review the other list options that may already be selected. To keep your export clean and focused, disable any other unnecessary lists. This helps prevent extra information from being added to your Excel file, which can save time later when sorting or reviewing the data. If your goal is only to export customers, then customers should be the only list enabled. After that, click Export to Excel. As soon as you do, QuickBooks will begin preparing the file and the download should start automatically. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go directly to your default Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If the download takes a few seconds, that's normal, especially if your customer list is large. Once the file finishes downloading, open it in Excel to review your customer data and make sure everything exported correctly. And that's it. That's how to export your customers from QuickBooks quickly and easily.